What's up guys, this is Tyler at RevRides. Today we're going to be showing you how to change the controller settings on your 0, 8, 9, 10, and 10X. So let's get to it. So to turn the LCD on, we'll hold the power button. And then we'll see we have a speedometer, the gear select, the mileage, and then the battery level. If we hit the mode, it'll change the gear to 1, 2, or 3. This only limits your top speed. It has no effect on acceleration. You can change this while driving. Whenever you turn the power off, it'll go back to 1. If we hit the power button once, we'll move over to the trip, and then we have the current voltage display, and then back to the odometer. To change settings on this, we'll hold the mode and the power button at the same time until the P settings come up. To change through these P settings, we'll hit the power button, and to actually change the values, we'll hit the mode button. So let's start all the way over at 1. So this is going to be the LCD brightness. I always leave these at 3, but you can turn them down if you need to. The next will be the mileage. You've got miles or kilometers. The voltage, this is going to be dependent on the scooter. The dormancy time, this is how long in minutes that the scooter will turn itself off after inactivity. This is unused. P06 is the wheel diameter. We are currently working on a 0, 10. If you have an 8 or 9, you'll have a different wheel diameter. The number of magnets on the motor. We recommend not changing this setting. P8, this is going to be what limits your power. Right now we're set to 100%. If I change this, it'll go down to 1% and you'll have to toggle all the way through. If you wait too long, it'll kick you out of the settings menu and you'll just have to hold power and mode to get back into it. So P9 is the kick or 0 start. Right now this is set to kickstart, and you can see this indicator will turn on and off. What kickstart means is that if you pull this throttle, nothing will happen until you actually kick away on the scooter. Ooh. 10 is unused. 11 is a level of electronic braking. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. We typically recommend setting this to 3. 12 will be soft or high acceleration. This is, in my opinion, one of the most important settings on the controller. This will definitely have a huge impact on how quickly your scooter takes off. 1 is going to be the lowest setting, and 5 will be the highest setting. 13 and 14 are unused. 15 is the cutoff voltage. We recommend not changing this. This has a large effect on your battery health. And then 16, this is a menu for zeroing the odometer. This only works if it's a very, very low mileage scooter. This one we won't actually be able to reset. P17 is cruise control. With this one we get asked about a lot. Cruise control by default is turned off. 1 will turn cruise control on. We only recommend cruise control for very advanced riders. The way that it works is that you have to maintain your speed and throttle for approximately 10 seconds, and then the cruise control will maintain that speed for you until you hit the throttle or the brake again. Settings 17, 18, 19, and 20 are unused. We recommend not changing them. And that's it. Alright, that's all there is to it. If you guys have any more questions, just leave a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos from us. See ya.